Welcome to part 1 of my 3-part Adventurous Brewer tutorial. Today we're going to cover creating a recipe. Let's get started. I'm going to click Create Recipe. This is going to be a recipe for a basic cider. Go ahead and rename it. For this recipe, I want to use pectic enzyme. I'll go ahead and add my first ingredient, the apple juice. Now I have to add the pectic enzyme. To do this, I'll click the search bar and type in pectic enzyme. There we go. The recommended dosage for my pectic enzyme is 2 grams per gallon. Once the pectic enzyme has been added, I have to wait 2 days. For process-related instructions, things like waiting or racking, we're going to use the Add Instruction button. In this case, I'm going to click Wait. 2 days. Once the 2 days has elapsed, I'm going to pitch 2 grams of yeast. There's Lavalin QA23. We want 2 grams. At this point, the recipe should say to wait for the cider to ferment. I'm going to set it to wait for 1 month. But 1 month is just a heuristic. We really want to wait until it's done fermenting. So I need to add that to my text notes. Wait until cider is done fermenting. I can click the gear icon to hide the note editor. After the cider is done fermenting, we're going to rack it. And then we'll let it bulk age for another 2 months. The basic recipe is now set up, but I want to show you some of the tools in the recipe screen. Over here, we have calculator tools. Whichever calculator you're using will come with different tools. In this case, we're using the default calculator, which lets you scale the sugars or the recipe volume. To switch your calculators or see recipe statistics, click the Calculator tab. On the left, you can see things the calculator has predicted about our recipe. On the right, you can switch calculators. If any of the stats are wrong, you can click them to override. Last, we have a Settings tab. This will let us change the recipe name, the display image for the recipe, or the recipe description. All of these will show up on the home screen. Now you know how to create a recipe in Adventurous Brewer. Next video, we'll cover managing batches. Thanks for watching.